Money never sleeps. And in today's world, neither does opportunity. What if you could learn to build wealth, not just for retirement, but for freedom, confidence, and legacy? Whether you're just starting your journey or already dipping your toes in the markets, this course is your step-by-step guide to mastering the art and science of investing and trading. This isn't just another boring finance course. This is where real-world investing meets real-life goals. We'll walk you through 12 power-packed modules covering everything from understanding how markets work, decoding financial statements, finding winning stocks before everyone else, reading charts like a pro building a bulletproof portfolio, and mastering the mindset of top traders, because investing isn't just about money, it's about freedom, family, future. So if you're ready to make your money work smarter, not harder, if you want to stop guessing and start growing, then this is where your journey begins. Go ahead and take the first step into the world of smart investing and powerful trading.